Top 5 businesses to start with a drone. Welcome to the world of drones, where technology is soaring to new heights and revolutionizing the way we do business. Drones are not just for hobbyists, they are becoming an essential tool for many industries. From agriculture to real estate, the possibilities are endless. Here are the top 5 businesses you can start with a drone. Number 1, aerial photography and videography services. Drones equipped with high-quality cameras can capture stunning aerial footage and images for real estate, weddings, and events, film and television, and more. The benefits of using drones for photography and videography include the ability to reach angles and heights that would be impossible for a human photographer, and the ability to capture a bird's-eye view of a property or event. Drones can also be used for surveying large properties and construction sites, providing a detailed and accurate map of the area. Number 2, agriculture and crop monitoring. Drones can be used for precision agriculture, such as crop spraying, monitoring crop health, and determining optimal planting and harvesting times. This technology can significantly reduce labor costs, increase crop yields, and improve overall farm efficiency. Drones equipped with multispectral cameras can also detect problems such as pests, disease, and water stress in crops, allowing farmers to take action before it's too late. Number 3, inspection and surveying services. Drones can be used to inspect and survey structures such as bridges, towers, and buildings, and survey large plots of land for construction, mining, and other purposes. This technology can save time and money by allowing inspections to be conducted faster and more safely than with traditional methods. Drones can also provide detailed and accurate data, allowing for more efficient and effective decision-making. Number 4, delivery services. Drones can be used to deliver small packages and goods to customers, reducing delivery time and costs. Drones are particularly useful in remote and hard-to-reach areas, and can also be used for emergency deliveries, such as medical supplies. The use of drones for delivery is still in the early stages, but has great potential to revolutionize the logistics industry. Number 5, search and rescue. Drones can be used to locate missing persons, search for survivors in disaster zones, and to support emergency responders in search and rescue operations. Drones equipped with thermal cameras can detect heat signatures, making it easier to locate missing persons in difficult terrain or at night. Drones can also be used to survey large areas quickly, allowing search and rescue teams to cover more ground in less time. These are just a few examples of the many businesses that can be started with a drone. With this technology, the possibilities are endless. Drones are changing the way we do business, making tasks faster, safer, and more efficient. If you're thinking of starting a business, consider using a drone to give you an edge over your competition. Please note that you may need to check with your local regulations and laws regarding the use of drones for commercial purposes before implementing this idea.